A and B are rational numbers and 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 equals to a plus b root 3. Then a plus b the whole square equals to, basically nothing new or nothing difficult. Just solve this and rationalize the denominator. So rationalize it. 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. First solve this. So it becomes 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 the whole square, right? And below it is 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3, because we have to rationalize. Rationalize means what? Multiply with the conjugate. Conjugate means what? Same numbers, only sign is different. So it becomes 2 plus root 3 the whole square upon this denominator becomes 2 square minus root 3 square, that is 4 minus 3, that is 1. So it becomes 2 plus root 3 the whole square. Solve this. It becomes 4a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3, right, equals to 7 plus 4 root 3. But what is given? 7 plus 4 root 3 means this figure is equals to a plus b root 3. So this 7 plus 4 root 3 is a plus b root 3. So a is what? 7. Equate these two terms. A is 7 and b is 4. Now a plus b the whole square means what? 7 plus 4 the whole square. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 square is 121. That is the required answer. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC.